The purpose of the mockup is to set the standard for the project, and it should be constructed per project specifications. When applying to a frame and sheathing substrate, 2 layers of building paper, lath, and a quality pre-blended scratch and brown mix that includes sand is required for the base coat. For non-suction surfaces such as poured-in-place and tilt wall, Thermocromex can be direct applied with an approved bonding agent. Contact your instructor for a list of approved products. For CMU, Thermocromex can be direct applied with no bonding agents required. Note, you must check suction between CMU blocks and grout lines before applying the Thermocromex to prevent ghosting of grout lines. The base coat must be flat with an open grain and should appear similar to a brown coat with a minimum ½ inch thickness. Once base coat is complete, it must be allowed to cure with proper curing techniques per the manufacturer's recommendations. Trim pieces must allow for the ½ inch base coat plus the specified thickness of the Thermocromex. Begin by evenly wetting the base coat 30 minutes before the application of the Thermocromex to even suction. This can be accomplished using a water nozzle that will produce a fine mist. Mix the Thermocromex material following the manufacturer's instructions. For mock-ups 40 square feet and larger, a stucco mixer must be used, and for mock-ups less than 40 square feet, a ½ inch drill, paddle, and large bucket, larger than 5 gallons is recommended, can be used. Apply Thermocromex with plaster pump on mock-ups larger than 100 square feet, or with hawk and trowel on mock-ups less than 100 square feet. Place material onto sample area, taking care not to compact the material by over-troweling. Immediately screed the Thermocromex to a flat, even surface using a notched feather edge. Follow immediately with the smoothing blade to close down the surface using only a light pressure. Let material firm up until pressing your finger onto the surface leaves a slight indentation. After material has firmed, use a straight edge to check surface for flatness. Use straight edge to remove high spots and to bring wall to a flat plane. Follow by using a damp sponge float to close down texture created by the straight edge. Begin troweling to close down surface. followed by troweling in a circular motion to match specified finish. The finish being shown is the tandoor finish, which is the smoothest of our standard finishes. The mock-up must be protected from direct sunlight and wind above 5 miles per hour, and must be hydrated with clean potable water using a garden-type sprayer 2 to 3 times a day for 3 days if humidity is below 80%.